Hi, I'm Anita Kirby from the content team at Smartbox. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the skin tone of your symbols in any grid set in Grid. You can do this from Grid Explorer or from within a grid set, but today I'm going to show you in Supercool so that you can see how the symbols change. To change your symbol skin tone, you need to open the Settings menu by clicking the three lines that you'll find in the top left of your screen in Grid 3, or the three blue dots in the top right corner of Grid for iPad. Choose Settings, and then look for the Writing tab down here on the left. Select Writing, and you'll see an option for Symbols. If I click on Symbols, you'll see there are lots of settings related to symbols here, including one labelled Skin Tone. If you select the drop-down arrow or click on the coloured box in Grid for iPad, you'll see a number of skin tone options. Select any of these to change your symbol skin tone. Click OK, and you'll immediately see the change in your symbol grid sets. This setting applies to all of your grid sets within the same user, so you only need to change it once. If you ever want to change it back, you can open up the Settings menu again, check you're in Writing, and then find the Symbol settings. Use the drop-down and select Default, and that will undo any changes that you have made. Thanks for watching.